What's up, y'all? I was gonna do an unboxing here at my desk. Got some stuff. I was gonna clean my desk too, but I don't really feel like it. And the bell just rung in the middle of my talking. Anyhow, I don't feel like it. So, I'm just gonna unbox it right here. How about that? I'm tired. This is a gift. I call it my Christmas gift from Sagola. Shout out to Brad who hooked me up. I'm going to show you everything that I got, and then after that, maybe I'll give you some video using it. Maybe today. Depends on how far I get. As some of you may know, I'm working on my minivan right now, so I'm trying to get it painted. And I actually want to use this Sagola spray gun on my build because I think it'll come out pretty clean. So let's see what we got, man. I'm gonna open everything up and go from there. All right. First we got the RC2. This is gonna be my gauge, obviously. My regulator, my gauge. It's gonna tell me how much PSI I have in the gun. It's brand spanking new. Don't mind the straw or my keys. Oh, look at that. Next, I have the 3300 ZTO. Brand new in the box, never opened. Sorry. Brand new in the box, never opened. Sagola, an Elco meter company. Professional spray gun, okay? So I have that. And then, on top of that, I have a shoot suit. Please don't mind my Catalina dressing. Or my salt and pepper. Don't mind that. My Sagola suit. Ready? Now mind you, I haven't opened this. I got it around Christmas, but we haven't been teaching any auto body right now, so you know, here's what it is. Whoo! I'm a big guy, so I had to get me a really, really big one. This is a 3X. 3X. Because I'm pretty tall, you know. For reference, I'm 6'5", so I'm hoping this fits me like perfect. So it's got the hood on it. Obviously, I'll probably lay it out a little bit later so you can see it all. Long sleeves, you know. And it comes all the way down to the legs. So I'm completely covered. I'm definitely gonna sport this while I'm spraying the whole van. You know, it's a little hot in Florida, so sometimes I don't wear a shoot suit. I can't talk. Sometimes I don't wear it because of the fact that it's super hot and I sweat to death, being that I'm actually a Midwesterner who happens to live in Florida. And I sweat like a hog. So here is my t-shirt, which I'm gonna take home. I'm not gonna mess this up. I'll probably wear it to work and stuff here and there. Sagola t-shirt. It's pretty dope. I like it. Let's see what's on the back. Remember, I hadn't even seen this before. Oh, that's cool. Wow. That's cool. Can you identify any of these spray guns up here? Or are they just random? They might be just random. Shout out to Sagola, shout out to Brad. Man, the craziest part is I remember wanting a Sagola gun when I went to SEMA. If you go back and watch my videos, I went to SEMA. Shout out to my buddy Paul who helped me get in. It was Mr. Chew for the week. Inside joke. Anyway, by me being Mr. Chew for the week, I got to see a lot of stuff. And I got to walk through the whole auto body area, and another friend of mine had already told me about Sagola and how he liked them. So I wanted to give it a shot. For reference, a Solo Element. It's another friend of mine. He was one to tell me about the Sagola gun brand. I had already been watching videos on Sagola. especially like LNC Painter, a couple other guys that I have been watching. So sorry, got that bail schedule. It's already working, even though there are no students today. We are off. So anyway, as I'm telling my story. That's nice. Just so you know, this is a 3300 spray gun. A couple other places I've also watched it too. I watched LNC Painter. Actually, he did the same purple color that I want to do, Lambo purple. He sprayed a hood and some wide body covers with the same exact color. Wow, that's nice. But he used the same colors that I'm gonna be using. He used a 4600 though. This was a 3300. From all the other videos that I've watched though, which I'm sorry, I don't remember those other gentlemen that I was watching. All the other videos I watched, it didn't really reference a big difference between the 3300 and the 4600. The 4600 is supposed to be better than the 33, but the 33 is supposed to handle practically anything. So they're both great guns is what I've been seeing. So I'm hoping that is the case today, which I'm pretty sure will be, because the ones I looked at SEMA were really nice. All right, so we got the little baggie. You see it's got some cleaner materials inside. Obviously these tools take everything apart. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and look through the book in a minute. I want to get to the nitty gritty. So we got the cup here. That's nice. Nice plastic cup. Obviously you got an air hole on the top. And wow, that's nice. Very nice. 3300. I like the trigger. Oh, I like it. You get a close-up of it. 3300 GTO. Like I said, I've heard very good things about this. If you're looking at the size of my hands are actually pretty big, so I apologize if it looks like ginormous. On the side here, I think it has instructions. Let's see what it says. Operating range. 1.4 to 2.2, and then it says 20.3 to 21.9 psi. So you know, I'm sorry, 20.3 to 31.9. Max though, 2 bar, 29 psi. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna try a couple different things. This one's made in Spain, by the way, y'all. Very cool gun. I like the weight on it. It's actually really nice. Let me see if I can get the top off real quick. So I'm spinning with one hand. Let's see what we got. Sagola GTO Tech. Very nice. So let's figure out what kind of tip this is. What we got here? Does it say? Dive and look at it real quick. Yes, it is a 1.3. I like it. My bad, y'all. Got a little phone call in the middle, but I like it. It looks pretty cool. Hopefully, I get to spray some with it, and I can show you guys how it goes. So I'm probably just going to compare it to what I already use. I use a currently I'm using the Iwata Supernova. The LPH, no, it's the LS400. I think it's what it's called. Anyway, that's what I'm using currently. Between that and my LPH 400. So between the two is what I've been using. These are supposed to be closer to like a Sada, is what I've been seeing. Which I've sprayed a couple of Sadas back in the day, but I haven't sprayed with a Sada in a long time. So I'm actually looking forward to this. It should be pretty cool. Hopefully it all goes well. Oh. I don't know if I can open this in one hand, so let me try. If I can't, now I can't. Let me just stop it real quick. All right, we got it. That's nice, Sagola. Obviously, you can adjust PSI on the side. I'll probably thread the pipe just so it's nice, no leaking. I gotta add my fittings on the end. But it's pretty cool. I like it. It's got a nice weight to it as well, so it doesn't seem cheap or anything like that. I'm extremely excited. Hope you are too. I don't know if I'll try to make a video today. Just depends on how much time I have before the end of the day. I'm going to attempt to spray some parts for the car, so I think I'm going to use the Sagola gun to spray some body parts for the vehicle that I got. Like the lip kit. That's probably what I'll end up painting today. So, all right, y'all. On to the next one. See you in the next video. Peace.